Here's the simulation for Project Frankenstein. You can see his eyes moving right and left. Those will be the servos, and then another servo will open the mouth, and the fan will turn on, and then it'll close the mouth, and this is based on the range sensor. In the block diagram, we can see the communication between Arduino and the LEDs, the servos, the sensor communicating back to the Arduino, and then the buzzers as well. Here's the schematic. On the upper right, I've blocked out just the LEDs, and on the lower left is just the blockout of the fan. Let's have a look at the inside of Frankenstein and how he's put together. So on the sides here, you can see he's attached at the ear. The pegs have the buzzer in them, and they're just attached through a hole in the neck that the wire just goes into and out. You just pull the front of the face off and take a look and see the two servos right here and here for the eyes, and then the servo bracket. We can see in here that we have the fan mounted to the center column. There are two brackets on either side of the back of the neck. They're connected to the back of the head and the bottom of the neck. And then there's the servo that's mounted to the back of the center column that moves the jaw. If you look underneath the neck or the top of the box, you can see that there's an L bracket that's used to connect the center column to the actual part of the top of the box. And then you can see here that's the center column where that connection is made. We can just snap the front of the face back on. Here is a version of Frankenstein in action. You can see the eyes moving left and right. They have a random motion to it, but should maintain right and left at a random rate. And then as you move closer to it, the range sensor detects and turns on. He's also been kid tested. I'm not sure if it's mother approved though.